Hey everyone, here with one of the best exercises you can do to help increase knee flexion or knee bending range of motion. So what you'll need is something that you can wrap around your foot and hold on to with the hands. I like to use the green strap. If you have a rolled up towel or rolled up pillowcase, that usually works well too. What you're going to do is lay flat on your back with the strap or whatever you're using wrapped around the foot. Then all you're going to do is slide your heel nice and slowly up towards your bottom. When you get to the point where you feel like you can't bend the knee anymore, you're going to apply a gentle to moderate force with your hands, pulling on the strap to help increase that knee flexion range of motion. Should be a little bit of discomfort, or moderate discomfort is okay, but shouldn't be significantly uncomfortable. Hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then let it relax and slide back out. I usually like to do 10 reps of 1 to 3 sets, and it's a great exercise for help improving your knee flexion or knee bending range of motion. Thank you.